Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can hide your friends on Facebook. So go to your Facebook profile, tap on the profile icon, and then tap on settings on the upper right. Go to profile settings, and then go to privacy. Now here, you're gonna scroll down, and under how people find and contact you, tap on who can see your friends list. So as you can see, mine is currently set to public. I'm going to change that by tapping on it. And then tapping on more. And if I want to hide it, so I myself am the only one who can see it, I'm just going to tap on only me. So that will automatically be saved and people will no longer be able to see your friend list when they visit your profile. I hope this helped, guys. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.